Gentlemen, let me ask you something honestly. What if I told you there's a single spot on your body about the size of a coin that, when massaged for just 1 minute a day, could restore blood flow, improve sensitivity, and reignite performance that may have faded over the years? Sounds almost unbelievable, right? Maybe even a little awkward. Stay with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly where that spot is, why it works, and how a simple massage could be the most powerful and natural boost you've been missing. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button if you care about keeping your health strong after 50. Leave a comment and tell me where you're watching from. I love seeing men from all over the world supporting each other. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss future videos on men's health, vitality, and confidence. All right, let's talk about the truth behind this hidden spot. Most men believe that after 50, performance issues are just part of aging. They think blood flow slows down, testosterone drops, and intimacy simply becomes more difficult. So they either ignore it or reach for a little blue pill when things don't cooperate. But here's the truth. Age isn't the real enemy. The real problem is pelvic tension and poor circulation. Over years of sitting, stress, and inactivity, the muscles of your pelvic floor, the ones that control erections, urination, and even sensation, become tight and weak at the same time. Picture an old rubber band. It's stretched out, tight, but it's lost its snap. That's exactly what's happening in your body. Your blood vessels stiffen, nerves get compressed, and suddenly, what used to happen naturally now requires effort or doesn't happen at all. But here's the good news. By releasing tension and stimulating circulation in the right spot, you can literally rewire this system. And the spot I'm talking about has been recognized for centuries in traditional medicine, but modern science is finally explaining why it works. For those of you who are new here, I'm Dr. Nora Hayes. I've been practicing medicine for over 7 years, helping men regain vitality, confidence, and health without unnecessary drugs or procedures. I've seen firsthand how small, natural interventions can bring back energy and intimacy men thought they had lost forever. And today I want to walk you through one of the most underused yet powerful techniques available: perineal massage, or what some traditions call the $1,000,000 point. But before I teach you how to do it, let's talk about the most common mistakes men make that block their potency. Mistakes this massage helps reverse. Mistake number 3, ignoring pelvic tension. Most men don't realize their pelvic floor muscles are chronically clenched. Stress, long hours sitting, even holding in urine, all of it makes those muscles lock up. What happens? Blood vessels compress, nerves dull, and circulation slows. This massage helps release that hidden tension, like unclogging a tight knot that's been strangling your performance. Mistake number 2, relying only on pills. Pills might help in the moment, but they don't fix the root problem. They force blood flow temporarily, but they don't restore flexibility in your vessels or strength in your nerves. That's why men find the effect wears off. This technique, on the other hand, retrains your body naturally, building real lasting improvements. Mistake number 1, believing age equals decline. The biggest mistake is giving up hope. I can't tell you how many men in their 60s and 70s I've treated who thought they were too old until we restored blood flow and sensitivity. Within weeks, their confidence and their intimacy was back. Now let's get practical. Here's how you do it. Step 1, find the spot. The area is called the perineum, located between your scrotum and anus. Right in the middle, there's a slightly softer spot. Don't worry if it feels a little tender. That means you're in the right place. Step 2, position comfortably. Sit on the edge of a chair or lie on your back with knees bent. You want easy access without straining your hand. Step 3. Apply gentle pressure. Use your index and middle fingers. Press with the firmness you'd use to check if a tomato is ripe. Firm but not painful. Step 4. Massage for 60 seconds. Try small circles. 30 seconds clockwise. 30 seconds counterclockwise. Or press and release 5 seconds firm. Then relax or gentle up and down pulses. Step 5. Use the right oil. This is where you can supercharge the effect. Castor oil penetrates deep, improves circulation, reduces inflammation. Coconut oil, gentle, antibacterial, hormone supportive. Black seed oil boosts testosterone. Legendary in Middle Eastern medicine. Warm the oil between your hands first. Cold oil on sensitive. Skin is no fun. Step 6. Timing. Do this once a day. The best times, morning when testosterone is highest. Evening to relax, improve nighttime and morning erections. Think of it like exercise. Consistency beats intensity. 1 minute every day is better than 10 minutes once a week. Now, I know some of you may feel awkward even hearing about this. Maybe you've never touched this part of your body before. Maybe you're thinking, is this really for me? Let me reassure you. Yes, it is. This isn't strange. This isn't shameful. This is about restoring function, dignity, and freedom. One of my patients, a 62-year-old man, told me he had given up on intimacy completely. After just 3 weeks of consistent practice, not only did his function improve, but he also noticed something unexpected. His hip pain disappeared, his bladder control improved, and he felt more like himself again. That's what this is about. Not just performances, but quality of life. So, gentlemen, here's the takeaway. Massage this spot for 1 minute a day. Use natural oils to boost the effect. Stay consistent, and within weeks, you'll notice changes that pills alone could never deliver. Don't let age define your vitality. Small, simple actions can restore not just your body, but your confidence and connection with the people you love. If this message gave you hope, please hit that like button. It helps this information reach more men who need it. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're building a community of men who refuse to give up on their health. And share in the comments what's one change you're committed to making this week. This is Dr. Nora Hayes reminding you you're not broken, you're not too old, and you absolutely can feel alive again. Take one small step today. Your future self will thank